Hello friends, here I shall show you how to edit a PDF with free of cost. Here I have opened a Word document and here I have the PDF file to edit. So I just click it and drag and drop to the Word. It will ask you Word will now convert your PDF to editable Word document. You give OK. This is the file where I have to do editing operation. Here I have to include my name. So I am including my name. And I am updating the date, and then I have to save it as a PDF. So save as, here you have to go for more option, and then agreement edited. I'm giving the title as agreement edited and saving it as PDF, and then I'm saving in the same location as save. See, now it has generated a edited version of the PDF. Now I have to put a digital signature over here. For that we have to go for a new software called Microsoft Office, which is available in the Google Play Store. In your Android mobile, choose the Google Play and search for Microsoft Office. Yes, you can find a Microsoft Office with a logo like this and click the install button. It will start to install. Once it's got installed, you just click the open button. It will ask you to store its file to your mobile, so you just give allow. Some minor settings has to be done before starting, so it's checking for account, so just click get started. If you want, you can sign it with your email. I am giving sign in later. It will ask for some privacy settings, so just give next and then press don't send optional data and then close it. Here you can find the action button. Click the action button, come down, you can see a sign a PDF. Click this sign a PDF. It will ask for your file to browse it. So before that we have to browse the file from our Gmail. So in Gmail I have this file which we edited by adding our name. So just download it. Now come back to this Office software and then browse the file from your device. It will be in the download section. See here agreement editor. Choose the agreement editor and then tap the place where you have to put your digital signature. I am tapping here. So I am writing the signature and then press the tick mark which is at the right side. Here you can edit your signature by to the size of the cell, so like this, and place it accordingly. And to the left side top you can see a tick mark. You just click it, it will get saved. So if one more person has to be signed in the same document, then in the bottom right corner you can see a share button. You can share it to your friend who has to sign in the same document through Gmail or WhatsApp, whatever it is, and follow the same procedure to record your digital signature. If you want to choose another file, at the top right you can see a folder. Just click it. There you can see this device. Click it and then you can see download. From the download I am choosing agreement edited. See, now you won't see the tapping option. So top right corner you have 3 dots. So just click the 3 dots. You will get a signature mode one, which is one above the top one, signature mode. You click the signature mode, then you will get tap where you wish to sign. Now tap it. Already you have you have recorded your signature, so you just select it and then align as per the cell size and then place it correctly and then press the tick mark, and you can share with the next person who want to sign with the share button through Gmail or WhatsApp or whatever mode which you like. Thank you.